Come to this unit, it's not working, this blower wheel apparently is bad, so we're gonna remove this board and get it out of the way. Got it unbolted and popped a couple of connectors off of it right here, right there. We'll have to undo the low voltage here so I can get it out of the way more than likely. And take that off. But this blower well is separated, it feels like. I see a blade broke off in there. I feel it when I haven't pulled it out yet. See, it's a little jacked up there. It's broken apart from the collar in there. So I'm gonna get that in and get it changed out. But right now I gotta unhook all my wires and sensors and all that from the blower itself.